Several countries in Europe are struggling to contain a second wave of the coronavirus outbreak. Daily COVID-19 cases within the bloc have doubled in just about 5 weeks, with the total tally surpassing 10 million infections. While it took Europe over 9 months to record its first 5 million COVID-19 cases, the next 5 million cases were reported in slightly over a month. Europe accounts for over 22% of global coronavirus cases, with over 269,000 deaths. The region accounts for some 23% of the global COVID-19 death toll, from nearly 1.2 million lives lost. According to a Reuters analysis, Europe has recorded more than 1.6 million cases in the past 7 days alone. And amid the surging cases, France, Germany and the United Kingdom have announced nationwide lockdowns for at least the next month. Governments are once again forced to shut their economies and restrict movement to curb the spread of the virus. Portugal has imposed a partial lockdown, and Spain and Italy are tightening restrictions. Within the continent, Eastern Europe is nearly 1/3 of the total reported COVID-19 cases, while Southern Europe leads the death toll with about 32% of the total coronavirus-related deaths.
England is the latest European country heading into a month-long lockdown starting this Thursday. It follows a spiraling number of coronavirus cases in the country, and the move comes after the localized lockdown tier system failed to slow down the spread of the virus enough to bring down the R number. It comes days after France, Germany and Belgium went into lockdowns of their own, and Italy, Spain and Greece are adding tougher restrictions as Europeans' COVID cases have doubled in 5 weeks. Total infections surpassing 10 million. The European Commission warned that the real risk to the healthcare systems on the continent would be overwhelmed by the soaring number of cases. Germany has pledged to offer intensive care beds to patients for the worst hit areas. Mandy Clark, World is One, WION, London.